Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Ford 3-button remote key fob. First, what we need to do is to get at the key fob battery is to remove this top cover here. By doing so, you press this button here and this button here on both sides of the key fob case, and it leaves the case slightly ajar for you to get your nail in and remove it like that. You get a very small flathead screwdriver just to get at the key fob blade and remove it from its housing. What we need to do now is get a slightly larger flathead screwdriver, and at the top of the case there you slide your flat-headed screwdriver in as far as it goes and twist, and that splits the key fob case slightly at the top there, which gives you opportunity to get your flat-headed screwdriver in and prise it open completely. And there is your key fob battery. Get a smaller flat-headed screwdriver and just pop it underneath the battery and prise it away from its housing. This key fob battery takes a key fob with a part number of CR2032 like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we place it back into the housing like so. Okay, and it's time to put the key fob case back together. You make sure everything is all lined up and you click it in place. You need to put the emergency blade back in, make sure it goes in tail first like that, back into its housing. You need to pop the front cover back on, make sure it all clicks back in place, and there you go, it's all done.